Welcome to your Billing and Coding Weekly Solutions by H.J.Ross Company, where getting your bills paid is what we do best. Are you thinking about joining a managed care network? The two most common managed care networks include 1. Health Maintenance Organization, HMO. HMOs often require a referral from a primary care provider, and care must be delivered by HMO-approved providers. And 2. Preferred Provider Organization, PPO. Patients have options to select a provider without a referral. Providers chosen in-network lower the cost to the patient compared to choosing a provider out-of-network. As a chiropractor, there are several things to take into consideration when making this decision. 1. Is the plan exclusive? No reimbursement outside of network. 2. Is the reimbursement reasonable based on time spent with the patient? 3. Will the managed care plan provide new and potential patients? And 4. Is the paperwork and authorization process easy or tedious? When choosing to join an HMO and/or PPO, it is important to stay on top of the latest changes in billing and coding. Thankfully, H.J.Ross Company has over 4 decades of experience in dealing with a wide range of chiropractic billing issues. If you are experiencing insurance claim denial, staff spending too much time trying to get claims paid, and patients asking why their claims have not been paid, then H.J.Ross Company is your solution. There is a reason chiropractors have trusted H.J.Ross Company with their business for over 40 years.